It's not always practical to use full-size bricks. This is why brick tiles are so popular. The length and width are the same size of your average brick, but are only 15mm in depth, making it possible for interior and exterior applications. The following video is to give you a step-by-step method to install brick tiles. For demonstration purposes, we have simulated a window opening to install the brick. For this display, we have fixed a wooden batten to the wall, creating a level starting point. It's important you start from a level surface. Mark the wall 85mm, which is the size of the brick and the joint, from the bottom to the top of the wall. Continue this on both sides and mark level lines from one side to the other. When working on larger areas, it is advisable to work from a chalk line or a laser. Mixing instructions are pretty easy. All you need is 3 to 4 litres of water, depending on weather temperatures, to every bag of adhesive. Before you start, dry fit the corner brick, making sure the top of the brick is on the chalk line. When applying the adhesive, ensure you cover the entire brick with a minimum of 5mm. Ensure you cover the outer rim of the brick. Install the corner brick first. Press firmly and hold for several seconds until the adhesive adheres to the surface. On some projects, it is necessary to reduce the length of the brick to fit the area. This can be done with a grinder or a tile cutter. When cutting, always face the brick side facing down. This will keep the brick clean. Be sure to use safety glasses, gloves and a mask. Install the cut brick into position, ensuring the top of the brick is on the chalk line and the side of the brick is 15 to 20mm away from the corner brick, leaving enough room for a mortar joint. When installing the cornerstone, it is important to alternate the corners to avoid vertical lines. Place the centre of the full brick above the vertical line below it. Now you can continue installing your full brick, cut brick and corners until you get to the top of the window. To create brick headers, turn a full corner brick vertically and place it into position, pressing firmly while holding for several seconds until the adhesive adheres to the face and underside of the window opening. Then cut a brick corner in half and install it the same way. Continue this until you have reached the other side of the window head. Now it's time to fill in the gaps by cutting bricks to the relevant sizes and installing them until you reach the top of the brick head. Mortar consistency should be stiff but weak enough to be squeezed through the pointing bag. Twist the top of the bag and squeeze some mortar back into the bucket. This will prevent air pockets, causing the mortar to accidentally squirt out. Keep the top end of the bag twisted and gently squeeze the mortar into the joints. Fill all the gaps between the bricks, making sure the mortar is coming out further than the brick. After pointing, check to see if your mortar is ready for striking. The average time is 3 to 6 hours. To test the mortar is ready, push your finger into the mortar. It should be firm but give way. This is a good indication that you are ready to strike the mortar and push away the excess mortar. For striking, we recommend a pointing bar. Rub the bar vertically first, then horizontally, taking away the excess mortar from the joint. To save on cost, you can also use a piece of garden hose to strike the joints. This method is just as effective as the pointing bar. When striking, the mortar should crumble away like sand. If the mortar smears or crumbles away in large chunks, this indicates the mortar is not ready. Leave it for another hour and try striking it again. Finally, use a soft bristle brush to clean away any excess mortar off the brick. Mortar colour can be added to enhance the overall look of the brick. Mix the colour with the mortar for approximately 2 minutes. Brick tiles are sold per box. Each box contains 1 square metre and each box of corners contains 2 linear metres. The adhesive and mortar comes dry in a bag, ready to be mixed with just water. Likestone's brick tiles are suitable for interior and exterior applications. This instructional video has been brought to you by Likestone Ireland, distributors of natural manufactured brick and stone cladding systems. If you have any questions or need further information, we would be happy to help. For contact details, please go to www.likestone.ie.